Vijay Bab, this is only as far as Talegaon, or it is only also you are thinking about old Goa,
See,
Kumar?
when the town and country planning board thinks on this, and we come to a decision on the 30th, we will announce it. We will not keep it hidden.
When it will be finalized? On
See,
30th?
at the moment, when we speculate on this, I hope you get me on record on this also. That you all are speculating. Today the print media is speculating. They are saying that it is undermining the RP.
Correct.
See, RP is also being done by me. So why would I undermine myself? So let us not speculate. When we decide, we will come out with a very proper statement and we will not keep it hidden.
आनी एक विषय म्हणल्यार लव मामलेदारान रिसेंटली एक स्टेटमेंट केला की विजय कितें सांगता तितून अर्दें सत्य आसा की दे आर द पार्ट ऑफ NDA. MGP is only MLAs are, Davlikar is part of NDA, but not central committee members, because most of the Goa Forward members have a holding key positions. What is your say on this?
See, the point is very simple. That all of us, whenever we have come together, it is not only the MLAs who have come together, it is also the parties who have come together. Sometimes it takes time for the party to adjust. Sometimes you get adjusted first. Now, we are a very new party. We have learned to adjust quickly. So eventually you need to adjust.
So you
have to live and like live. You have to live with everyone.
Do you mean?
You can't live on an island.
Do you mean to say that MGP central committee members doesn't know to adjust, and it is only the MLAs?
I'm not saying anything like that. No, Mamledar has been an ex-MLA. And he's a good friend of mine. I don't want to cast aspersions on what he has said. But simple thing is, see, there may be people in our party who want more positions, who want more things. But we have to also, the leadership has to convince them that eventually for this alliance to succeed, this formula to succeed, this whole model to succeed, all of us will have to live together and we will have to adjust. Everything will not be as per our satisfaction. We learn to adjust. Learn to adjust.
They don't know.
I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that. I don't want to cast aspersions. See, MGP is having some expectations. We are willing to even concede something for MGP. I'm telling you this also. But I will actually fight for my party. If required, I will even fight for the MGP. Because we are the architects of this coalition government. We are not there only to fight for ourselves. We will even fight for the MGP.
For their demands?
Yes. If the MGP feels that they are getting a raw deal in this alliance, then I will also be a voice for them. Position if you feel that the prime positions are with us, we are willing to give one position to them. One position which we are holding now, we will give to them.